Imagine an iPhone so thin, it almost disappears in your pocket, but still packs the power to rival a desktop. That's exactly what might be coming this September. Apple's gearing up to flip the script on its design game, and what's brewing could be the boldest iPhone lineup in years. One model might be thinner than a pencil. Another, packing pro-level power with a camera that could challenge DSLRs. And for the first time ever, every model might feel like a pro. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe if you love getting the juiciest Apple updates first. Alright, let's dive into the madness. First up, the iPhone 17 Air. This might just be Apple's sleekest phone ever, only 5.6 mm thick and still rocking a 6.6-inch display. That's practically nothing in your hand, but don't be fooled. Under the hood, it's expected to run the A19 chip, the same chip as the base iPhone 17, and that's not just any processor. We're talking blazing fast performance, smooth gaming, and battery efficiency Apple's been chasing for years. And here's where it gets spicy. Apple might finally bring 120Hz ProMotion displays to every model. That's right, not just the Pros anymore. Smooth scrolling, better touch response, even on the Air. It's the democratization of flagship features, and honestly about time. Now let's talk about that camera bump. Apple's known for subtle changes, but this year, rumors say a full redesign. The Air will feature a single but mighty 48MP lens. Meanwhile, the Pro Max could get a huge upgrade, a 48MP telephoto lens. That's a 4x jump in detail over the previous gen. And for selfie fans, Apple's planning a 24MP front camera across the lineup, clearer FaceTimes and selfies, even in low light. Now here's something most people aren't talking about. Apple's shifting to Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3 across all iPhone 17 models. That means faster, more stable connections, and less lag when streaming or gaming. And speaking of speed, we might also see Apple's in-house 5G modem debut with the Air, potentially pushing speeds up to 4 Gbps. Imagine downloading a full Netflix season in minutes. Oh, and there's more. Apple might finally be making their phones easier to repair. New adhesive techniques are said to make screen and battery swaps faster and cheaper. Combine that with the rumored expansion of eSIM-only models outside the US, and it's clear Apple's not just tweaking things, they're rethinking the whole iPhone experience. Now let's talk Pro. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max are getting beefed up. Think 12 GB of RAM. Think upgraded ceramic shield glass with better scratch resistance. Think smaller dynamic island, maybe even the last time we see one before Apple goes fully full screen. Leaks also show a fresh take on the back design, possibly a rectangular aluminum camera bump stretching across the phone. Imagine a hybrid of the Pixel 9 and classic iPhone flair. It's not confirmed yet, but it's turning heads. The body? Lighter aluminum again, ditching titanium for that just right feel in the hand. But here's what really matters: battery life. Thanks to the A19 Pro chip and Apple's rumored new C-Series Wi-Fi chip, the Pro models might deliver up to 40 hours of video playback. That's 7 hours more than the iPhone 16 Pro. And improved heat management might finally mean no more overheating during long game sessions or video recording. Speaking of recording, we could be looking at 8K video and a dual camera recording mode, front and rear simultaneously, built into the native app. This could be huge for creators on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. So to sum it all up, the iPhone 17 lineup isn't just about speed or polish, it's about giving everyone more features, more freedom, and more reasons to upgrade. Whether you go for the ultra-slim iPhone 17 Air or the beastly 17 Pro Max, you're stepping into the future of smartphones. Now I've got to ask, what's your pick? Sleek minimalism or all-out performance? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if this got you hyped, and make sure to subscribe so we can break down every leak as it happens. Trust me, there's a lot more coming.